What's going on? Are you having trouble sleeping?
Oh my gosh, yes. Every time I come close to falling asleep, I always hear that terrible noise again. It sounds like...
You hear it too, but I think it sounds more like this.
You don't suppose it might be a chupacabra, do you?
No way. Has to be bigger. I was thinking more of a Sasquatch.
Charlie, Florida doesn't have squatches. They have skunk apes. Everybody knows that.
Well, the noise is absolutely wretched. You don't suppose that's Dad snoring, do you?
Well, Occam's razor would suggest that we consider the most obvious choice. It's Dad. Dr. McCall, please help us solve this mystery.